This week's project is a t-shirt made with 4 different colors of heat transfer vinyl. Beginning in Design Space, you can see that I've already uploaded the Lego image to Design Space that I purchased from the Silhouette store, as well as created and sized my word block. I will walk you through now how I created this word block. Okay, so first thing is separating by either letters or line. Either works for what I'm doing. I prefer in this case to separate by line so I don't accidentally mess up letters and have to take extra time to fix them. Now I'm going to resize each line till they make a box. Once it's how I want it, I will attach everything so it stays in place. Okay, let's move on. Back to the project image, I'm going to attach it. It will change to one color, but I'll be setting up the mat with various colors. I'll show you that in just a few minutes. One super important thing to remember is to mirror the image so that when it's ironed on, it reads correctly. In case you forget, there is a reminder here, as well as instructions on how to put the vinyl on the mat with the shiny side down. It's time to prepare the materials for cutting. I have measured exactly what size I need my iron-on vinyl to be, and I'm just going to hurry up and cut all of the colors I need and set them to the side before I put them all on the mat. So as you just saw, I cut the vinyl to precise measurements so that I could fit all of the colors on the mat and cut everything all at once. I did this by looking at the grid lines and the measurements in Design Space so I would know exactly how big to cut them and where they need to be placed on the mat. Next step is to weed out the extra vinyl. Heat transfer iron-on is different than regular vinyl because it's not sticky, and so it's a lot easier to work with as you weed it and can be done in bigger chunks because you're not dealing with the stickiness. This is Cricut's online heat guide, and I've linked it for you in the comments. The first thing that I want to do is make sure the correct heat press is selected. In this case, I want the Easy Press 2. Then I'm going to select the material I'm using, which is Everyday Iron-On. Then I select the material of the shirt, which is 100% cotton. Last, I will select Easy Press Matte as what I'm using under the shirt. When I click on Apply, it will populate everything I need to know to do this project successfully. I always start by preheating the Easy Press to whatever the guide has indicated, then I prepare everything else for application. I begin by putting the Easy Press Matte inside the shirt, then using a lint roller to remove any hair or debris from the shirt. Next step is to heat the shirt for 5 seconds. Then I'm going to measure and place the iron-on. Now that I have the vinyl placed the way I want it, I'm going to use the heat press to transfer the vinyl to the shirt. I am applying firm pressure as the heat press counts down. And now I flip it inside out so that I can apply 30 more seconds of heat on the backside of the vinyl. I need the shirt to cool down just a little bit before I start to remove the plastic protectant from the heat transfer vinyl. Now that it's ready, I'm going to start peeling on a diagonal from the corner, peeling slowly so that I can ensure that all of the heat transfer vinyl has stuck to the shirt and doesn't come up with the plastic. And now it's done. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. If you have questions, please be sure to comment. See you next time.